Over 1,000 thumbs up for a Justin Bieber video, boys. What the f***? Chug some weed and smash an egg on your head for today's video. I like getting my mouth a little bit. You know, the shell's not as bad as you think. It's more like popcorn kernels, which are quite satisfying to chew. Woo! Anyway, boys, now that I'm drenched with egg, which has a strange consistency to semen, I guess we'll get on to this video real quick. Now, I've been getting question after question for the past week of what we were gonna do on 420. You guys are like, yo, NameBran, are you gonna smoke weed? Are you gonna do a weed video? No, I'm not gonna do that, because we don't do weed on this channel. However, I didn't want to let you guys fail, so I smoked a bunch before this video. It's legal in Canada, and I'm not sure how we're gonna get into it, but we'll do it. So you guys, whoa, this is gonna be harsh. Or hard, one of the two. It really is sticky. So for today's video, I had this planned for a while. The package just came in the mail. You guys really requested that I do a haul or show off Justin Bieber's new merch. Now if you guys follow him, I'm sure you do. Here's why. Because honestly, man, the dude's music the past little while has been very sick. Very dope music, and also he's got just an amazing wife. She's just 10 out of 10 bombshell, really. So if you follow him, sometimes you get like little sneak peeks of like inside her life on his Instagram channel. I love seeing her in a regular habitat, because any hot girl in a regular habitat, I feel, is just dope. Dope to know. Which is why I follow stars on Instagram. You like to just see them doing their daily thing. Whoa, this is gonna be a hard one. Don't do this. I stopped smoking weed 4 years ago because I was not focusing on anything. And I was also just an idiot, and nobody wants to smoke with an idiot. And I did it for this video, and I thought it was a good idea just for the boys, and I'm like, hell no, bro. Hell no. Anyway, getting into it, NameBran fans, real strong, Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. Also, send this to Justin Bieber. My Instagram's right here, so if he looks at the video, you might be like, yo, dude, that was sick, or whatever. Like, he'll send me a message, and then I'll read the message, and I'll just tell every girl, like, yo, Justin Bieber's messaged me before. Anyway, boys, before we get into this video of showing you guys what you wanted to see and into the explanation of the video, it's actually brought to you by FashionNovaMen.com. They're very great. They have very dope things. Now, they sent me 12 pieces in the mail that I'm going to try on for you guys real quick, tell you how they fit, and also tell you there's a link down below. So shout out Fashion Nova Men. We'll get on to that right now.
Oh yeah, it's on.
Yeah, you have your cue?
Oh yeah, right. Yo, Bran, model strut it.
Sorry, what did you say? Model strut it?
Model strut it.
What do you think about this, boys? First one from FashionNova.com. Let me tell you, they have the best clothing for a great price, and honestly, it feels real nice. Bars. It's the first outfit I picked out. They let us pick out some outfits. I thought it was really dope. We have flamingos all over this, and then we got flamingos on my balls and on the top of my body. So, FashionNovaMen.com, that's the first one we got right here, boys. Should we go on to the next?
Yo, Bran.
Yeah?
Strut it again.
This one's a little more silkier, you know what I mean? I think that kind of goes with the vibe of, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about right now. Kind of the all over outfit. I think people are really digging that nowadays, right?
Yeah, I don't know. You look like I need a condom, so.
Sweet. Shamona. Who's that? Michael Jackson. So boys, this is called half Hawaiian, half not Hawaiian. I'm just trying to go get laid. Yeah, so boys, focusing on the pants right here. They're real nice fit. Don't take too close a look at my butt, buddy. I've been squatting too much. Next up, boys, from FashionNova.com. Fashion Nova Men, by the way, we got these shorts right here, a little burgundy. But if you guys don't want shorts, you can get the same thing in pants flavor. Boom, we have the pants. These are little sweatpants, you know what I mean? I might go to the gym with them, might go for sushi with them. If you want the whole fit attire, we got a jacket right here from Fashion Nova Men. So hey, that's a full try-on haul in the worst way possible, probably, but hey, that's how it looks. Probably not the outfit that I would do with it, but I didn't really plan that. So.
I mean, I like it.
Jacket's kind of nice, right?
It looks like you just went to the Olympics, but for the States in the 90s.
What place did I do?
Like last.
Oh. And we're back. Crazy. So that's Fashion Nova Men. Appreciate them so much. They've got great clothing for great prices. I'm not just saying this to like, because they're sponsoring it. I really actually like Fashion Nova Men. Like, they have the prices that are there for you. They work for you. You know what I mean? They're not just selfish. I feel like they're the ones to be like, hey man, these kids need some dope clothing. And men, grown men like myself, who should not be doing what I'm doing right now in the slightest. I look like an asshole spewing on camera like hell I am. But Fashion Nova Men, They really do look out for us. And also the women. You know what I mean? I'm not getting sponsored to show off Fashion Nova women right now, but hey, they get your girl looking curvy always. So Fashion Nova, really appreciate you. Link is down below. Alright boys, so now getting on to the point of the video. As you guys know, if you do follow Justin Bieber, he's been doing this weird thing lately of only promoting this brand called Drew House, or Drew. Now you guys have probably seen it, obviously if you follow him, but I kind of did a little bit of research because I was like, yo, does he really run this? Or does anyone else? And I found nothing. I don't know who runs this, but he promotes it all the time. I also researched his middle name is Drew, so me doing detective work like Will Ferrell in the movie Sherlock Holmes, not good, but good. I found out that this might be his clothing brand. I don't know, a lot of people wanted to see it, so I bought a couple pieces. Now we're gonna go onto the website right now. No, we're not. No, we don't need to do that. We just won't. Anyway, boys, I'm trying to do what I need to do for you guys by doing some sort of 420 special, which you guys wanted, which I thought was a good challenge. It's like, if I can do a video on 420 in the state that I'm in, I can do it always. And now I'm proven that I can't do it here, so I can't do any video always, even though it's 420, 12 times 10. What does that mean? There's egg all over my floor. So, anyway boys, we're getting onto this video right now. We're gonna check out the Justin Bieber merch called Drew House. If it's dope, they do have really expensive prices on that website. Like, it's really mad expensive. And I only got 2 pieces, unfortunately. Now, when you guys gave me this idea, and I got a lot of thumbs up, I went on the website. It was all sold out except for one thing. So I bought that one thing. Then I went onto eBay to see if some people were reselling things so I could buy it and do a little bit more of a haul for this video, because you guys wanted this apparently, which is, it's kind of a dope website, it's kind of a dope brand, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's just like the Drew thing. They have the smiley face like Walmart, which is crazy. I don't know if they're gonna get sued for that or if Walmart's gonna get sued from them, because Justin Bieber has a lot of power, I'm sure. Anyway, we got 2 pieces. I only found one for resale on eBay. It apparently has resale because I paid way over what it was worth. And we'll just unbox it right now. God damn, boys, please leave a thumbs up down below. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm also just trying to be the most entertaining I can, which is why I thought that I'd probably just do a video for 420 and just kind of give you guys what I'm just walking away before I turn off the camera. This is awful. Anyway, boys, getting on to the Drew House clothing. Like I said, we only have 2 pieces. I tried to get more, but there was none online that I could find. Also, it was all sold out, but gotta give you guys what you want. So, first piece right here, I actually did get off drewhouse.com, or I think it's something else. I can't really remember that much, but I'm gonna check it out. Now, if you guys know about this, I don't know, like, I feel like a lot of you guys must know about this if you guys ask for it, but if you don't know about this, it's a clothing brand he keeps advertising on his Instagram, so go give him a follow and tell him NameBran sent you, because I'm sure that means a whole lot. It doesn't. Ugh. Alright. So, getting into it though, actually, god damn, it's hard to rip things. Getting into it, actually, I am curious. I am, like, as a clothing guy, I like my clothing, I am curious if it matches up to the prices that they have on the website. Even though you got a lot of girls out there that are gonna pay whatever when Justin Bieber drops it. So maybe they're just thinking smart. They're like, bro, let's put out some Gildan shit and then have all the girls buy it. And we make profit. Woo! Okay, so here we go. The first thing, Drew House, you guys seen this a lot. I saw Hailey Bieber wearing it one time. I was like, damn, if it looks good on her, well, it's probably not gonna look good on many other people because she can rock anything, generally. And same with Justin Bieber. Now, home up, the dude can rock it all. So we got this right here, says Drew. That's the beanie from his website. And I'm just gonna put it on, let you guys see how it looks. And if you guys wanna cop it, you can't, because it's sold out, which is why I'm not even sure why I'm doing this video, nor smoking, because that's not good. So this is, oh my god. So we have a Conehead brand right now. That's his piece right here. Drew House, Justin Bieber's new clothing brand. Company, we're not even sure. And last up for this Drew House haul, boys. Dude, I'm trying. I wanted to actually do a really good job. I'm talking so much, man. Shut up, Bran. Hopefully, though, you guys seeing me in this light is good and, like, entertaining. So anyway, next up, I bought this from eBay. Now, with shirts, I can't remember what they retail for, but I remember when I bought it, I knew that I bought it for $100 extra, which means they got some mad resell on this stuff. So this is the t-shirt you guys would see. It's got the Drew House thing right here. I made sure not to buy a fake one. There's a bunch of fakes on the internet. Made sure to do my legit checks, which I didn't know how to do, so I just messaged the guy and figured out that he had a receipt for this. But Drew House right here, it's the size XL. Fuck! This is not even my size! How am I gonna try it on for the boys? Anyway, Drew right here. So we have a t-shirt that's better than, honestly, this is not gilded. It's a nice t-shirt. Fits very nice. I'd say that the cut on it is also spectacular if I were to say so myself, but I can't try it on because it's not too small nor big. No, my dinner's at 2 tomorrow. Sorry. I was trying to figure out when my dinner was at 2 tomorrow. So anyway, there's the Drew house. You guys wanted it. I'm giving it to you. It says Drew right here. You guys let me know down below, though, what do you think about Justin Bieber's new clothing line, or whoever it is? I think that it's kind of cool. You know what I mean? If it's like Bieber and like all his like tour stuff, you know, when he did that clothing before where it's like, oh, the Believe tour. I'm not really into it, not gonna lie. That's also me just being a guy, like being scared to wear that shit because that could come off like not so sick for us, maybe. That's just me being probably self-conscious in it. But this one right here, I don't mind it. It says Drew, it's kind of a cool colorway, and Justin Bieber, hats off to you for making lots of money and honestly scoring the most beautiful girls in the world. I think that I commend you for it a lot. I'm talking like he's watching this, which isn't gonna happen. I need to go friggin' eat, dude. I got a cake in my fridge. I don't know, I got it like the other day or whatever. Or hopefully it's not bad by now. Anyway, the Drew House t-shirt right here. We got this. This is what you guys asked for. I was gonna do a better video and then I got stoned. So, appreciate y'all for watching. We are murking the game, the greatest of all time. We are the goats. And also, if we're not at 10 minutes yet, I might have to have a black screen for a little while. Let me know what you guys think. And please thumbs up this video, because it's not the best I've ever put out, but it's not the worst, which says a lot. That means my videos probably sucked before, which they have. So, boys, happy 420. I don't not agree with it. I just don't ever participate until today, and then I did it. Now I'm like, damn it. I have a lot of things to do actually tonight, which I should not be in this state for. And it's already tonight. I have to edit this video in at least a half an hour, which is going to be hard. And then I'm going to have to go talk to my grandma because she needs help on her car, which, look at me, I'm not going to be able to do that at all. Still have egg on my floor, and boys, appreciate you for all times, and good times, and bad times, because I'm just trying to get this to 10 minutes, blah. Drew House, what the fuck? What a weird name, but it's kind of cool, I guess. Where's the off button?